Welcome back, folks, to the Via Pinstriping page. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you all how to do a color fade. I'm going to be using my Kafka number 3 scroller. I have some blue and I have some green. And I'm going to show you using sort of the featherish design shapes. That way you can see the fade pretty good. How to fade in from one color to the next using what I've heard it called as dirty paletting. And it's described basically exactly the way I'm going to be doing it. It's just mixing in the color as I fade from one stroke to the next. Right. So I'm going to do here sort of a teardrop shape, right? And this is all straight blue, right? So push down. Sorry, I meant to say feather shape. And pull out. Right, straight blue. Now, what I'm going to do is just dab into this green just a hair, right? And there it's changing my color just a little bit. Do just a little bit more. That way we can really see the color change. And if you feel like you've taken too much, you always got the blue here that you can mix in, right? That's why I'm kind of doing it right next to the blue. And there's my second stroke. Now you can see I'm looking at somewhat of a teal color, right? And then I'm always reducing. That's why you see my stuff go this way. I just don't want it to fall over on me. I'm just going to add a little bit more green. Okay. And I'm always comparing what I have here with what I have down there. If it's not enough of a change, I'll just add a little bit more, right? And at this point, I'm kind of getting away from the blue because now I want more green. And if need be, you can palette in a completely different area, right? So a little bit more green now. So I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to palette over here. It's the same thing as that. But at this point, I'm wanting it to become greener, right? So I got a good decent amount there. I know I'm running out of strokes. I might have another 3 strokes left before I have no more space to do these, right? So I'm kind of accelerating the color change a little bit. Do a little bit, just a little bit more, right? See, now we're looking at quite a green color there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take out some of this paint with a paper towel. Just a little bit. I'm not going to push it all out, but I'm kind of going to squeeze a decent amount out, right? And now I'm going to start to get deep into the green, right? I want quite a bit of green, but I still want some of that blue in there. Sorry. Some of that blue in there before I completely go full-blown sublime green. All right, so then we go like that. Whoops, it did not come out too pretty. All right, and now we're going to go mixing into the green as such, right? We're pretty much 90% sublime green. And now I'm going to actually squeegee out the rest of this paint with a napkin. I'm going to actually try to squeegee out as much as I can. Right? Reduce a little and full-blown sublime green. And I'm doing this as fast as I can. To sort of just show how easy this stuff is. All right, full-blown sublime green now. Bam. And if you want, you can keep adding colors. You can start adding white to it if you'd like, or do a full-blown spectrum of color if you want. But that is how you dirty palette from one color to the next. And I hope that helps. I've been meaning to make a video here for a while, and I have just recently moved into a bigger space. We're now in a house. I'm still renting, but it is a nicer, bigger environment, and I hope to do more work out of it. Thank you all so very much for watching, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Have a good day.